Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about how a woman should talk to her husband. Yes, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. Yeah. In marriage, you have to learn how to talk to a man. Yes. A lot of women have used their tongues to push their men away rather than pull them closer to themselves. So, do you use your tongue to bring life to your relationship, or you are killing your relationship with your tongue? Here are some few factors you should consider when you are talking to your man. Number 1, your manners. Do you speak to your man in an abusive tone and manner? Let me tell you something. It is not something to be proud of when people know that you abuse your man, that you are a very mouthy person. Do not insult your man or shout at him. A gentle answer turns away all the wrath, but a harsh word stirs up the anger. So, watch your manners when you are speaking to and addressing your man. Number 2 is time. You must understand the mood of your man before you bring up a particular topic. For example, the time he comes back home when he is very tired from work is not very appropriate for you to start talking about all the demands and financial difficulties you have in the home. This will only paralyze him. Give him time to cool off first. This is the time to welcome him and serve him with juice or something or water, not to pump him with financial difficulties in your home. Choose the right time to bring up the right topic and to discuss the right things. Remember, there is time for everything. Number 3 is content. What are you discussing with your husband? There are some things you would rather discuss with your friends, your girlfriends, your sisters, not with your husband. Remember, your husband is not a woman like you. He might not get the gist. He might not be the perfect gossip partner. Let your speech be edifying. Your man has a lot to do than to gossip about people's shoes and people's clothes, or about how big the cake was, and about how much your dress is, or the other person's dress is, or how much the other salon is expensive and the other one is not. Your husband may not be the perfect gossip partner. He has a lot of his mind, like financial, family, and ABC. So spare him the gossip. Next, and very important, is length. Mind the length of the conversation when you're speaking to a man. When you are talking to a man, go straight to the point. Don't dilly-dally about the topic, beating around the bush and the bushes in the neighborhood before you hit the topic. Let your speech be edifying and productive. Men want matter, not just cheap speech, cheap talk. It's not for them. So if you keep bringing up all the cheap talk, you are sucking up the energy out of him. He's doing a lot more than tolerating you. You are draining. Listen, many women have a habit of beating around the bush, dilly-dallying about something before they land. When you are talking to a man, go straight to the point, hit the nail on the head. Even if he's there with you, he may switch off before you get to the most important point. That's why you hear many women saying men don't listen. Men are logical. So my dear, keep it straight and simple. Always to the point. This doesn't mean that you cannot chat and laugh and play with your husband. Just make sure you use your tongue the right way, because if you don't, you will keep saying your husband doesn't listen, your husband doesn't pay attention, your husband does the wrong thing instead of the right thing, you tell him this, he does that, you will keep complaining till kingdom come. Ladies, stay away from nagging. Very important. So that your husband will always find your home inviting and welcoming. I hope you've heard, I hope you've learned. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button down below and the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82, Twitter is at Nora Charimpa, Instagram is @IAM_Nora. Thank you, I love you. See you in the next one. Bye.